I don't know for you, but I love cactus. Really, it's, my gosh. And so I wanted to paint them with gouache painting. And in this class, I will show you 6 different ways to paint cactus with gouache. This is really cool because you learn a lot of things as long as you are painting your cactus. So let's go for it.
Speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding, and I'll be running, possessed by.
The class is available on Skillshare, and if you follow the link in the description below, you can get a free month trial on Skillshare. This is worth it because you have access to thousands of different classes on all subjects you can imagine. So enroll now, and don't forget to tag me on social media when you are posting art from this class. This is one of my favorite classes, and I think she deserves more love. See you soon!